Okay, the journal speaking challenge among English club members at one Islamic boarding school in South Sumatra. The authors, Leni Marzulina, Muhammad Halandia, Dian Erlina, Harizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Lia Hidayati. This qualitative case study investigates the speaking challenge encountered by students who are members of the English club at the Darul Abror Islamic Boarding School in Banyuasin, South Sumatra, Indonesia. The research employed a qualitative method and a case study approach. The data was collected through observation conducted over 4 consecutive days and semi-structured interviews with 6 select student participants. These participants were chosen using a purposeful sampling technique based on their length of memberships in the club. The data gathered was subsequently analyzed using thematic analysis. The findings of the study identified 4 primary challenges that hinder the student speaking practice within the English club. Okay, the first, lack of vocabulary. Students report difficulty expressing what they wanted to convey or speaking fluently because of their limited vocabulary. When unsure of the right words, they would often combine English and Indonesian, code switching, or pause to think. Furthermore, students felt the teacher was not consistently introducing enough new vocabulary related to the current topic, and they lacked the self-awareness to regularly expand their own vocabulary. Okay, the second, the use of mother tongue. Students frequently spoke in their mother tongues, Indonesian or Japanese, more often, noting that they were not used to speaking English due to mother tongue's interference in their surroundings. They find their mother tongue to be more comfortable and easier to use. Additionally, a lack of English knowledge was cited as a reason for defaulting to their native language. Okay, the three, lack of self-confidence. Students admit they did not feel confident speaking in front of peers or teacher because they felt they could not speak English well. Their nervousness and confusions were often attributed to the audience not understanding what they were saying, which made them lack confidence. This was also evidenced by students stuttering or being hesitant to speak when asked to come forward. Okay, the last, lack of motivation. A lack of motivation was identified as the reason behind the student reluctance to speak in English. Students report feeling less interested, bored, or lazy during English club activities. They state that if there was no motivation, it would directly affect their desire to speak English. Conclusion: the researchers conclude that recognizing these 4 significant challenges, lack of vocabulary, mother's tongue use, lack of self-confidence, and lack of motivation is critical for developing effective solutions to create a more supportive environment and enhance the student English speaking proficiency at the Darul Abror English Club.